This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Edwin Rivera. Start the commercial mini farm today with this untouched, completely buildable 9.2 buildable acres. This property features 3 storage crates, 1 workshop and an on-site office trailer with independent central air. Zoned for a total of 13 additional mobile homes. The double-wide trailer is a spacious 3-bedroom 2-bathroom, Florida room addition that was constructed perfectly for anyone looking to settle into comfortable southern living. This property would be great for anyone looking to acquire an awesome piece of untouched new Port Richey estate. Investors welcome, developers welcome and all visionaries in between. Put your offers in today. For more information, review the details below or contact Edwin Rivera at 727-666-2872.